Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's near and dear to my heart. The art of resilience, bouncing back from life's challenges. Life, as we all know, can be one heck of a roller coaster, filled with ups, downs, and unexpected twists. You see, challenges are the universal constant in this game we call life. Whether it's a failed business venture, a personal setback, or a global pandemic, adversity is bound to knock on your door at some point. The truth is, it's not about avoiding these challenges, but about how you bounce back from them that defines who you are and your potential for greatness. So how do you bounce back when life throws you a curveball? Well, it starts with perspective. Successful individuals, myself included, view adversity as a teacher, not a roadblock. Take, for instance, the story of Walt Disney. He was fired from a newspaper for lacking creativity and told he had no good ideas. Yet he didn't let that discourage him. Instead, he used it as motivation to build an empire that continues to inspire millions today. Resilience also means adaptability. Let me tell you about the iconic company, IBM. It faced near collapse in the early 90s due to the changing tech landscape, but it adapted, shifted its focus, and emerged even stronger. That's the power of resilience. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward. You've got to be willing to learn from your failures. Look at Michael Jordan. He missed more than 9,000 shots in his career, lost almost 300 games, and missed 26 game-winning shots. But each miss made him even more determined to succeed, and we all know how that turned out. Don't be afraid to lean on others during tough times. Oprah Winfrey faced numerous challenges growing up, but found her strength by talking about her experiences. She built a network of support that helped her become the media mogul she is today. Now let me get real with you for a second. Life's challenges, they're not here to break you. They're here to make you. Adversity isn't your enemy. It's your greatest teacher. So when you're facing those dark times, remember that even the most successful people on this planet have faced setbacks. I'm living proof that resilience can take you places you never thought possible. I started with nothing but an idea and a drive to succeed. And let me tell you, it wasn't always smooth sailing. But every time I got knocked down, I got back up with more determination than ever. Resilience is the secret sauce that transforms obstacles into stepping stones. It's about pushing through the pain, learning from the losses, and emerging stronger on the other side. So if you're facing challenges right now, know this. You have the power within you to bounce back and rise higher than ever before. In the grand tapestry of life, you are the master weaver. Every challenge you face is a thread that contributes to the masterpiece of your story. Embrace resilience, my friends, because it's the key to unlocking your true potential. When life knocks you down, bounce back, and keep pushing forward. Your greatness awaits, and I believe in you. Thanks a bunch for tuning into this video on Grow Rich. I really hope you got some value and juicy information out of it. If you had a blast and found it helpful, do me a solid favor. Smash that like button and hit the subscribe. By subscribing, you'll be in the front row for all our upcoming content that's going to turbocharge your journey to financial prosperity. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the good stuff. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in our next mind-blowing video.